There are many reasons to love Starbucks, including its inventiveness and widespread presence. In the end, their cult favorites and hard hitters are what count. Perhaps it's their seasonal pumpkin spice latte, or perhaps it's something more consistent, like a big blonde roast or a solid cold brew. These are the top Starbucks beverages you have to try, regardless of whether you're looking for a new regular, want to change up your normal order, or want to try something new. A list of the top Starbucks beverages is provided in this video. 1. Star Drink. Star Drink has 22 grams of sugar and 130 calories. Starbucks now names their products with one word and the term drink after it. There are 3 drinks available: Star Drink and Pink Drink. The Starbucks refreshers with kiwi starfruit and star are different. It takes the refreshing beverage and intensifies the tropical flavors by slathering it in thick coconut milk. The addition of milk has a huge positive impact on it as well. Kiwi and coconut milk blend together beautifully. You ought to try this beverage. 2. Toasted White Chocolate Mocha. It has 56 grams of sugar and 420 calories. This festive beverage is created with steaming milk, espresso, peppermint syrup, and white chocolate sauce. Sugar sparkles are sprinkled on top. The whipped cream is topped with rich crimson sugar dots, giving the coffee a festive appearance. 3. The Ice Brown Sugar Oatmilk Shaken Espresso. Oatly oat milk is out of this world and goes fantastically with Starbucks coffee, while plain oat milk is also wonderful in coffee. If this is your first time trying Oatly, you can anticipate waves of smoothness that don't overwhelm the potent aromas of coffee, brown sugar, and cinnamon. This beverage fits well into the category of the perfect afternoon drink to keep you nimble during the day's activities with only 13 grams of sugar and 255 milligrams of caffeine. 4. Peppermint Mocha, which contains 54 grams of sugar and 440 calories. The flavors of the drink include chocolate and cream in the first sip and chocolate and mint in the last. It is an annual tradition. It tastes great and is ideal for the winter. 5. Cotton Candy Frappuccino. This beverage is available on Starbucks' unreleased hidden menu, not their public one. To make this cocktail, simply order a vanilla bean beverage and add 2 pumps of raspberry syrup. The raspberry syrup is the only distinction between a vanilla bean and a cotton candy frappuccino, and it makes a big difference in flavor. 6. Snickers Frappuccino. Order a Java chip frappuccino and add 2 pumps of toffee and caramel to the top to make this beverage. This delightful concoction of ingredients has a Snickers-like flavor. We advise you to give it a shot. 7. Caffè Mocha. Currently, the best beverage at Starbucks is the Caffè Mocha. It has 35 grams of sugar and 360 calories.